Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing the Huawei Honor Band 4. There has been an incredible hype around this product, so I decided to pick it up as I was in the market for a fitness tracker. This is the front of the box with AMOLED written in large font. And this also happens to be one of the main features of this smart band. Looking further down, some of the other features include heart rate and sleep monitoring. It has swim stroke recognition as well as Alipay as the mobile payment option. The left and right side of the box is blank. On the back, we have more info and its features on the smart band. Its screen is a 2.5-inch AMOLED display. The heart rate uses Huawei's TrueScene 3.0. The sleep tracking uses Huawei's TrueSleep. The device is 15 meters water resistant. It is a multi-sport activity tracker, supports Alipay as the mobile payment method, supports smart notifications, and has an estimated battery life of 14 days with normal use. Let's get this opened. Presentation is very simple and clean. Here is the instruction manual, not in English. This is the charging cradle and the world's shortest micro USB cable. However, Huawei was kind enough to allow you to swap that out and use your own micro USB cable. Here is the band itself. First impressions, it is super light, looks very sleek. We have some Honor branding on the strap. Size-wise, compared to my current watch, it's not too small or large. The band is quite nice. It feels very soft and comfortable. You can see the pre-installed screen guard. You will need to remove this before using the device. Here are the sensors, and these are the contacts that you will connect to the charging base. Already, I can confirm that the charging base is bad. It's not the magnetic type like other smart bands, which means you would have to fiddle a bit to get the watch docked in place. Guys, this is part 1. My setup and review of the band are soon to follow, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when I release new content. And let me know in the comments below how many of you are looking to pick up this device.